Halo, welcome back with me. See on the way. I wish you on the way. I want to back now, back now, back now. Let's go. Aduh. Let's go guys, kita mulai ya. Baper anjing pagi-pagi gak jelas banget. Berapa hari guys? 1 hari. Wah ini 35 hari anjing. Guys gue mau story dulu ya. Kita buka guide dulu guys sih. Dulu guys, buka guide dulu ya. Lezat ya. Kece ini lagi deh guys. Story lagi deh. Iya gak sih? Story lagi gak sih guys?
I bet you can't wait to get to work.
Habis ya?
Until next time.
In your room. Ini gak sih tempat gua? Oh, bukan nyet. Oh, tolol. Lantai berapa sih gua ya? Lupa lagi. Lantai 4 gak sih?
Oh no, Cougar is... I just can't help thinking about it since then. Like, maybe he wouldn't be dead if I hadn't let him go back. Yeah, maybe so.
Cougar mati coy.
But you can't think that way. That makes you the same as the Order, and the enemy in my world too.
Tempat sampah gua mana guys? Coba.
Huh? If you know the future, you won't make mistakes. And you never lose people important to you. It's exactly the people who think that way. Kind people, but weak, who get taken in by our enemies. Huh? They want to believe that one day they'll be happy, just by waiting for a predetermined fate.
Like Crow killed sister.
But it is not so. The future is not set in stone, and that's the very reason it still has meaning. That's what we believe, and that's what we're fighting for. It's what you're fighting for, right? It is. It absolutely is. Both you and Cougar have done what you thought was right. We have to accept the outcome, but we can't very well blame our past selves. They didn't know the future. You're right. Sorry for being so... I do feel better after talking to you, though. Don't mention it. As long as you're trying to help, it's okay.
Look how nice you're being, A-Tree.
No, I get that. So, A-Tree, what was it that you wanted to talk to us about?
Mau ngomongin apa lu?
Oh, yes. It may actually have something to do with Cougar. A large island has suddenly appeared on the sea in our world, with people on it.
Anjir, ada pulau baru katanya.
What? Of course, they don't think that they've just suddenly appeared there.
This is just like the Furious Ruler.
What's going on here?
I think that the world has disappeared, leaving behind only that island.
You're saying it disappeared?
And that supposedly the island had a chronicle. A chronicle that may have contained that world's memory. It's the world's memory, so it makes sense that it's on that world, but to show up in another world?
So, that original world, it's gone?
Now just hold on a second. You're saying it's the same thing with all these other books? All these worlds existed originally, but now those worlds are all gone?
Well, right now I'm just thinking out loud. I don't really have any evidence. But I figure that the world of those people I was looking for vanished too. And this forest and chronicle were all that was left behind. They would have come here, going through the gateway that would have passed through their world.
So the same thing must have happened with the Porpoise kin. They may have come to this world.
I have no idea. No idea at all what will happen or what's going on.
Do forgive me. I'm just making conjectures here.
No need to apologize. We're sorry all we could do is sit and listen.
Oh, you didn't just do that. You gave me a lot to think about with your info about the Furious Roar. In any case, it would appear that the chief among our enemies in our world is this one king.
What?
That's the same one that Cougar and the others were fighting against.
All of this is connected to our enemies. These worlds disappearing, these
One
chronicles,
king.
and this one king. We have to unravel these mysteries. I will visit you again soon. Let me know what else you have uncovered, and I will do the same for you.
All right. Come back anytime.
Well, I'll see you later.
Atri,
Jangan sampai mati, pasti ngomongnya gitu deh.
take care of yourself.
Bener kan, dia khawatir guys.
I will. You too.
This has all become pretty serious.
Looks that way.
The Blade guys. Udah berbalik ya. Fredegon. Oh, putri juga, cewek ternyata dia guys. Tsunami of Mud. Tsunami ini lumpur. Kata gue sih dia di ini ya, si adik saudaranya si siapa sih namanya, Crowdchild ini ya, di brainwash. Gila, Leo juga berpikiran sama nih sama si Mamet. Apa kita keluar dulu ya? Kita selesaiin misi dulu deh. 35 hari, Cok. Gila, disuruh nunggu sebulan anjing. Kesian banget ya. Masalahnya nih kastil gak gede-gede guys. yang jauh berapa ini 13 hari. Ini 19 cukup lah ya buat balik. Anjir, sebulan pergi. Udah ditungguin, nunggunya sebulan coy teman-teman. Kesian banget ya. Baik lagi dah. Kesian banget anjir. Suruh nunggu sebulan. Si assassin itu gak ada ya? Halo, halo, selamat pagi. Selamat bekerja adik-adik, adik-adik teman-teman.
We gotta thank you. Have a look. Wow, you're the best.
Gagal.
Here's your reward. Oh no.
Ya, minal aidin juga ya. Semuanya. Dan Tri gagal juga semuanya, Cok.
Oh no.
Gagal semua nih gue liat-liat.
I knew assignment, huh? This the one you want? Let's see. So what will it be? You've made up your mind, right? Oh, you really want to quit?
Hanya ini 35 hari, Cok. Males banget gue. Iya, sibuk banget gue juga. Muter-muter, Pak. Gue balik hari apa ya? Pokoknya di sono gue hari tanggal 17 balik. Nyampe kan 17 malam. Terus tanggal 18 sampai dari hari Senin sampai Minggunya lagi. Lebaran kan hari apa sih guys? Selasa atau Rebo ya? Lupa gue. Ya pokoknya itu gue sibuk dah sampai Minggu anjir. Terus Rebo gue balik ke sini. Hari bapak. Oh, bapaknya meninggal ya. Semoga ini amal ibadahnya diterima ya sama Allah. Gila, yatim nih. Welcome to the club, bro. No way. Mana ini Batle ya sekarang, gila emang Jawa ya. Rame bet, kemana-mana macet sekarang anjing. Well, if you put it that way, apa ya guys? Jawab ya. Saya dulu gak sih? Tadi Mugen Tsukuyomi. Well, I go, but I said sure as in high spirit, don't you think? I wouldn't worry too much about it. Let's go. Nah, misi kita ngapain ya guys? Belum ada misinya. Kita keluar dulu kali ya. Loh, misi gagal cok, susah banget ya. kita ke ini, ke Blade Post kah? Kayak kita ke Blade Post deh. Let's go Rothschild. Nah, terus gak bisa dong. Iyalah udah di invite bro. ya sedih juga sih. Mana gimana ya kan, namanya juga hidup. Ada yang pergi, ada yang datang ya kan.
More work's coming in.
Ya nggak sih, apa gue sotoy aja sih. Guys, kita kemana nih guys? Macam bisa maca. Ya kan, masalah itu kan pedih gitu ya, perih gitu ya kan. Maca itu rasanya pahit gitu, makanya nyerempet. Apa gua turu dulu ya? Tapi setelah apa ya? Kayak kalau gua kan kayak bapak gua nggak ada ya pas gua SD kan. Gak jelas. Ya iyalah. Maca ya terasa pahit kalau lu COVID. Terus ada misi baru guys.
Get to work. Are you done?
Oh, ke atas kayaknya. Weh, bener gak sih? Survive. I hope Servila and Licia are alright. I can't help worrying about them. Dia di mana guys emang rumahnya? Cupid ya? Cupid apa? Cupid. Guys, kita kemana nih? Anjir. Furious Roar tuh di mana ya? Indah banget, indah. Alhamdulillah. Gue pulang-pulang pilek anjir. Kemarin parah tuh lagi apa sih namanya? Tenggorokan sakit ya kan, batuk-batuk. Sekarang mah tinggal pilek doang nih. Gila, kupu-kupu kertas bro. Ayo di mana ya? Masa gue harus explore dulu? Alhamdulillah. Blade Outpost. Alhamdulillah. Udah sini guys. Pilek. Katanya ingus kalau disimpan terus ini guys bakal jadi dapat ini gak sih? Dapat mobil katanya. Alhamdulillah. Mobil Hot Wheel. Wih, rame sekarang di sini ya. Ada kapalnya. Sekarang ada kapal. Kita harus belok balik dulu. Alhamdulillah. Wih, masak labu sekarang. Ya, nggak menantang lo. Nggak bisa lo bikin buku perjuangan lo. Nggak bisa menjual cerita sedih berarti. Orang mah ini dong, yatim dari lahir gitu. Tuh baru bisa dijual ceritanya. Kenapa ya ingus tuh nggak hilang-hilang anjir? Padahal udah dibuangin terus ya, ya kan? Makanya jangan hidup seperti ingus guys, nyusahin. Iya sedih gua, sampai keluar air dari pantat. Nyet mana ini nyet, sumpah. Wih, ada pasukan robot bro. Lah, oh dia jualan bom. Loh, dia jualan bom loh. Baru TW gua. Ini apa jualan? Ini dibilang primitif gua. Nggak pakai gun. Jalan-jalan dulu gak sih? Coba udah sehari nih. Kalau gue balik lagi, apakah sudah? Am I more begging for you? Kayak masih ada orang lagi deh. Tim gue siapa aja sih? 3 doang anjir. Am I more begging for you? Apa di sini ada misi lagi guys?
Hello there, welcome.
Where is God? Malas. Maybe kita harus ke atas. Maybe ya. Ada lift tapi pakai cara primitif gitu. Tempatnya Furious tuh di mana ya guys? Porposkin kah? Di sini. Safe and sound, safe and sound, safe and sound. Ten 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 ten. Nino Nelda. Don't come back on my account. I'm just fine here really. Udah begitu aja. Jadi banyak banget guys ini guys orangnya. Am I more begging for you? Ini cakep tahu, pengen dah gua. DW3 di Game War 3 lah kan udah anjir. Ntar lagi lah, gue lagi belum kepengen main itu. Wah ini muter-muter kastil aja deh gue liat-liat deh. Oh kesini nyet. Server baru matamu. It's a bit late in coming, but we can at least take comfort. Big brother. Terus tuh kan belum ada misinya guys. Ini kemana lagi nih? Enggak kesini, enggak kesini. Jangan bilang ini final battle. Weh, ayolah. Mana ini? Muter-muter aja kita tahu. Dari tadi ke di kastil doang nih gue liat-liat. Yuk kita ke Blade Post ya. Enggak kesini guys. Coba tes dulu gak sih? Nggak ada salahnya guys. Nggak ada salahnya ya kan. Nggak ada. Untuk sini loadingnya cepet ya. Gila gue gak ngebayangin ya. Ini dulu, ini game gak ada 100 ada gak sih 100 MB kayak ada deh. Ini maksud gue gila ceritanya segini banget gitu. Gede gitu harusnya di game. Pencari event anjing. Gak ada. Panjang loh ini ceritanya. Kalau lu tahu mah. Ntar ya kita puter-puter dulu. Liu, gue mau bawa Liu. Kok tidur sih goblok? Sota lah. Ayo Sota. Ntar kita coba masukin dulu ya. Ini mana real? Kayaknya misi deh. Ada misi baru deh guys. Tapi ntar ya kita coba masuk dulu. Nah ini Furious Roar. Oh wait for them. Oke, kita tunggu dia aja berarti. Ya udah misi ini berarti. Grinding dulu kah? Mau grinding gak? Oke, kita grinding dulu gak sih? Gak ada apa-apa ya? Guys, kita grindingin dulu gak sih? Ntar guys, ini udah pada gede-gede kan. Crocel masih 28. Manaril, Mubal. Mana yang level masih kecil-kecil? Kimia tuh mana sih? Jahra aja, namanya Jahra bro. Yot boleh dah. Soalnya ntar gue takut ada ininya nih. Mubal boleh dah. Sota oke. Loh ini gak ada senjatanya guys. Si gokil. Oh nggak bisa pakai senjata dia. Emang dia magic, nggak main magic kan guys? Manaril belum? Ruby 15, Sapir 15. Ruby plus 30. Mubal. Aduh jangan Iron Road bro. Manaril deh. Sapir. Broom apa guys? Boleh anjir broom. Ntar gue kasih ke ini aja deh. Gue kasih ke Liu. Tipis-tipis aja dulu grinding ya gak sih? Ini ada misi gak?
Hello there, welcome.
Nggak ada juga guys.
Until next time.
Suruh nunggu berapa hari kali ya? Gue pengen grinding di Citroplan guys. Aduh ini terlalu gampang ya. Terlalu mudah anjir. Credits deh boleh. Di mine. Wah, sapu anjing. Ah, ini terlalu ini sih. Terlalu mudah, coy. Di mana ya, guys? Ini apa? Crackboard. Ini apa? Marsina deh boleh. Gimana deh bro? Naik semua guys. Let's go. Jangan mati, please. Let's go naik level. Kita grindingin dulu sembari mutar-mutar. Kena paralyze lagi. Oke, naik. Kita jual di mana ya guys? Kita putar-putar dulu gak sih? Siapa tahu ada sesuatu sini guys. Tahan bro. Oke, naik level lagi. Kok susah naik levelnya lagi ya, mana real ya? Wah, anjir. You're gonna die, bro. Ini apa guys? Walah. Wih, ngeri amat ya guys. Wait. Anjir, diincer dari mulu. Mati deh. Naik level. Ini wall yarn doang. Oh, wall yarn mahal di kota ini gak sih guys? Kota dingin. Logikanya sih begitu ya. We never know till we try. Hah? Wih, baru nih. Apa tuh guys, nyedot? Lumayan nih. Gold ore. Dia lagi guys. Wait. Ajar. Naik level bro. Coba ya, wall yarn kayak. Hah? Mana ya tempat gunung-gunung itu guys? Paramount. Kayaknya kalau yarn di sini mahal deh guys. Ini murah-murah banget ya. Tuh Gazelle Fury mahal nih guys ini. Kan mahal. Gold ore di sini mahal banget ya. Ini apa? In dulu dah. Buset, ngapain? Sini udah nggak ada ya. Exit village. Ini kemana ya guys? 12 hari anjing. Kastil Takeshi. Ntar guys, gue mau grinding dulu sini coba ya. Lagarpa tuh di mana ya? Lakunya guys. Yang mahalnya di mana gitu? Kurs anjir. Kalau di Grey Ridge mahal gak sih? Ini senjata bro. Corn ear. Aduh murah ya. Sini 150 malah. Buset mahal banget ya. Coba kita lihat-lihat dulu aja ya. Apa jual-jual guys. Aduh nggak ada lagi. Strait Harbor. Gold ore 1400 di sini. Gazelle fur 400 di sini. Serius. Dan buat trade, wah kurang sih. Ini 11.000 cok. Oh, mates dong. Guys, gak ada yang beli item guys. Panah. Udah ya, beli item-item dulu. Aduh, nggak ada. Loh. Ini main di HP. Kalau game mah dari Nintendo DS ya. Ketemu dia lagi nih guys. Oke. Makasih sudah mampir. Like it just back. Important man lost face. And he was furious. So he hired. Why didn't you turn the job down? Dia nggak gabung kita guys. Kok keluar sih goblok. Jual senjata ya? Gold spear. Strength says. Ini item ya. Packler stick. Anjir, plus 19. Harga 1000 coy. Kismo lah gua. Kita balik ke kastil nggak sih guys? Sudah cukup jalan-jalannya. Harusnya tadi sekalian misi ya. Oh, udah balik, udah balik. Oke, hall. Dulu ya, kita ganti tim dulu ya. Kita dulu guys. Itemnya copot-copotin dulu. Liu. Marika sama Gel. Gel gue mana? Sota. Boleh. Iya, Liunya ganti dulu. Wah, nggak bisa Broom bisa ya? Broom. Ntar, siapa tahu kita dapat sesuatu yang baru nih guys. Flame explosion. Masterpiece. Defense barrier, healing glitter, masterpiece. Silent Sand. Ini gak usah lah ya. Nah guys, Magic Shield, Silent Grid, terus Silent Sand, Magic Canopy. Oh, Oke, terus Liu udah, Marika. Halo, kita equipin dulu ya semuanya, biar gampang. Ini kurang sih, mending jadiin support aja gak sih? Ini support aja dah. Wih, Nera nggak ada, cok. Ntar dulu guys, Mamet. Nah, ini kasih juga deh. Acrobat, Race Evasion. Karisma aja. Burning Spirit. Happy Tremor. Siapa lagi? Genoa kasih gak sih? Immunity. Ini butuh sih gue. Magic Canopy. Flame Explosion. Wah anjir, ini dia butuh semua gue liat-liat. Lagi lu face guys. Stealth. Wah ini support nih lu face. Melt Strike. Boleh sih, Gesture. Prevent the confused status effect. Clear headed. Magic anjir. Oke, kita isi-isiin dulu ya. Silent. Strike back dong. Ini anticipation. Less akurasi. Kayaknya nggak perlu deh guys. Strike back. Boleh, courage butuh sih gua. Crowdchild. Karisma, Rest Like Hood. Strike back, dia ada strike back bro. Auto shield. support nih anjing. Ntar dulu guys. Gua ini dulu ya. Meru fish. Asat. Aduh ini kurang sih. Siapa ini? Ya Dima. Healing, imun butuh sih gua. Ten drop. Jara. Ini nggak perlu dah. No. Waking. Roberto, tar dulu ya, skinin dulu ya. Masterpiece. Nimni. Two-way. Courage aja. Yacht. Physical damage. Hotupa. Minen. Oke boleh. Poison blow. Heavy tremor. Naruto Tech kayaknya nggak usah deh. Nggak usah deh. Pakai. Shizuka. Supportnya dia nih. healing flow. Nggak usah nggak sih? Nah ini pakai Plan Explosion. Nakil tuh yang mana ya? Magic Canopy, Defense Canopy, sama name nih, Full of Life. Morin, Sleep Chill. Wah ini ngeselin sih. Medium probability, oke. Enggak Sleep Chill juga sih. Yovel, ini banyak guys. Waduh. Wisdom. Muro yang mana lagi? Ini Happy Tremor. Aduh ini banyak banget sumpah guys. Defense Canopy butuh sih gua. Tuh hulu. Healing Glitter, two-way strike. Banyak banget ya karakternya. Udah habis guys. Let's go. Save dulu. Ntar gue cuci muka dulu deh. Gak enak banget kayaknya. Ntar guys. seperti minta tolong. Aduh, pilek banget. Aku pilek. Kakak aku pilek, kakak aku pilek. Aku pilek, kakak. Guys, ngopi pahit ternyata enak juga ya lama-lama ya. Katanya emang harus pembiasaan ya guys. Gue lagi mengurangi gula guys. Gak tau biar apa. Biar keren aja kali ya. Let's go guys, kita ke hall. Naikin aja gak sih? Perlu gue save kan udah ya. Look at the place. Siapa ini guys? Hah? Guntram. Is one of my father. Hah? Salah satu ayahku. Hah? Maya kawin lagi guys. Kacamata gue ada airnya lagi anjir. Let's get going now. Let's go lah. Wah, Mamet. Wah, anjir ini mah kudu di-grindingin semua, Cok. Kasihan cupu-cupu gak sih guys? Siapa guys? Nggak ada dia ya? Iya nggak ada guys. Genoa sih boleh ya. Kalian grinding gak sih guys? Manaril boleh deh. Ini gua kasih Sota aja. Lu jangan di depan juga bang. Aduh, ini parah banget guys masalahnya. Boleh nambah lagi. Boleh. Anjir gua nggak grinding cok. Strike root seriusan lu. Silk rope. Boleh dah. Ruby lagi. Udah cukup lah. Cukup ya guys. Cukup ya guys. Div itu kita kasih yang kuat-kuat aja gak sih? Gel. Mobile jangan. Liu. Satu lagi Marika deh boleh. Lu Erin deh. Lu di belakang aja. Iron lagi. Ih, gue punya kok. Singlet bangke. Berat guys soalnya nge-carry. Udah let's go gak sih? Head out. Let's go. That's the spirit. Let's go. Kita kemana nih guys? Langsung nih. Gila langsung aja.
The lady Crota-killed is already heading this way. People of Austrasia, come with me to free Faramond from the
And welcome the Lady Crowkill.
The Order is a bunch of liars. They don't know nothing about the future.
Throw those guys out. Only Lady Crowkill has the title to govern Austrasia.
Iyalah, jangan soto tentang masa depan lah. Kita cuma bisa jalanin bro, jangan nebak-nebak lah. Jalanin aja sebaik mungkin. Percaya hasilnya baik, anjay.
There's also a revolt emerging in the old Austrasian territory. This castle is completely surrounded.
Well, shouldn't you be out engaging them or putting all your effort into protecting this castle? Why will the ignorant people of Austrasia not accept the ideals and wisdom of the Order?
The former First Princess of Austrasia has joined forces with the company. We believe she is acting as a sort of rallying point for the insurrectionist forces.
My sister. So I have... My sister is...
Ya kan, dia lupa.
Keep your mind focused. You all know that there's no point in becoming lost now. The one true way says that the Order will win, ushering in a world of perfect discipline and peace. When that time comes, your sister will know that she is the one at fault.
You're right.
Ih, gila.
I wield divine edge. I will not be defeated by my sister. I will not be defeated.
Very good. With the advent of the one king, the one true way will come to fruition.
Gue salah nggak ya milih
It
idenya?
is the Lady Crowkill.
People of Austrasia, the Princess Crowkill has returned.
Tersalah lagi gue milih tim.
Brave people of Austrasia, long have you endured this awful time of tribulation. Hear me. Today that time is at an end. I swear it to you. We shall expel the inhuman invaders of the Order of the One True Way. Our Austrasia will rise again.
Rothschild.
Wow, I'd say she's pretty popular here.
Of course she is. This is their Lady Crowkill after all.
We made it back. We finally made it back.
That we have indeed.
I never imagined the day would come when I would make my return to Theramont. Lord, Guntram, I have you to thank for this. You have my sincere gratitude.
Oh, it was nothing, milady.
It's still a little early for thanks.
I know that, but it needed to be said.
Princess, it seems the Order's troops have confined themselves inside the royal castle.
And I suppose Fredegund is in there as well.
Tell the townsfolk not to do anything stupid. We'll handle the fighting from here on out.
I am in full agreement.
Master
Lay
Mamet.
off the master stuff.
All right, let's commence our assault of the castle. Get out there to harass and divert the enemy. Lady Crowkill will go with the Lord to rescue Lady Fredegund.
Look after the princess.
Will do.
Kita grinding dulu guys. Bandit kita dipanggil lah. Dia terdefense guys. You gonna die bro. Naik di elf naik. Nah terus Guys, di sini ada grindingan gak sih? Ah, bagus. Quiller. Ini kayak direkrut juga deh. Ih, jangan aneh-aneh deh. Jangan aneh-aneh, kocak. Seriusan gak ada ini guys. Monster loh. Ih gila ya, nafsu banget. Weh sakit bro. Ayo Crot Kyle. Wih, jangan mati Crot Kyle. Gak ada yang naik ini. Taruh dulu guys. Ini gonna die anjir. Crotkel gua gonna die bro. Please come here. Ini bisa grinding dulu kah? Terus guys, kita kesini dulu ya. Ya apa anjir? Bang, grinding dulu bang. Ini apa ya? Kayak ada sesuatu. Anjir, oh ini langsung ke sini, bro. Aduh, mati gak sih? Guys, oh enggak,
Just like old times.
ada cutscene ternyata.
Remember well how the two of us would face off in training.
As do I. It was always you, my sister. Always you who won every match. But today, things will be different. I now feel divine edge.
Anjay, keren juga deh. Kekuatan bisa dikalahkan dengan kecepatan, bro.
How is this?
Ih, berubah, bro.
This can't be.
Could it be? Is it true that divine edge is one of a matched pair? Is this like the deeds of the priestess?
Oh, ternyata
So
yang aslinya sama dia.
now we are fighting under the same terms. Shall we continue?
That's exactly what I want.
Apa kembar pedangnya?
On guard.
Oh, baru nih kita berantem. Aduh, levelnya tapi pukul dulu kali ya. Anjir lah. Guys, mati gak sih guys? Masih bisa hidup. Ntar dulu. Aduh, gak bisa heal. Bisa deh. Tahan bro, masih bisa 2 kali lagi. Dapat, masih 1 lagi. Let's go. Please jangan mati, Crocodile. Akhirnya gue udah die.
What is this? Why am I not winning? Though I wield divine edge, I am no match for my sister. Why is this happening?
I believe you have already answered that yourself. Your sister, your pride and joy.
What?
I wanted to live up to our parents' expectations. Show them I could live up to my title. But more than anything, I wanted to be a sister you could be proud of. I wanted to give you purpose. And that is why I made the utmost in my efforts as I trained.
Sister.
You progressed with a striking enthusiasm, and I had to make an incredible effort to surpass you.
Why you?
But I did not think of it as a hardship. You were always smiling, calling me your pride and joy.
Would you call that something that was predetermined?
Predetermined.
That I desired to be someone you could be proud of. Even that we share the bonds of sisterly love. Everything was predetermined when this world began. So we have no other choice than to accept what just happened as such.
Bener kan dia kadang
I will
blow
not
on.
accept that. I will never accept such a fallacy. How about you? No, no, it's not true. Not true. I am.
That boy? Lady Predigan!
Dibikin sadar kah?
I'm so sorry, sister.
Ntar ditusuk gak sih?
I'm so sorry. Predigan. I'm sorry too. I wasn't able to come for you before now. Oh, sister. Sis. My sister.
Gue ngerinya ditusuk anjir.
That nice. You worthless. Hey! Stop right there!
Kabur anjir.
Let him run.
We did it! The blasted order is fleeing!
Lady Crowkill and the company finally did it!
Isn't it wonderful? Now we don't have to listen to the order's nonsense anymore. We can finally call ourselves the people of Austrasia again.
Long live Lady Crocodile, long live Maju Jaya Company. Anjay. Berhasil misi kita, bro. Roberto ya? King's Chamber. Move your tail. Sama banget ya. Explore dulu gak sih? Sial, langsung lagi. Amara Lich. Alright, terus kita ke dulu guys, kita kesini dulu gak sih? Explore dulu. Anjay. Anjay. Are you freaking kidding me? Ini apa guys? Udah gini aja. Arsip Castle Walls. Oke, ntar abis ini deh hasil kita ke upgrade gak sih?
Lord, Lou, on behalf of all the people of Austrasia, I thank you. You have the gratitude of a nation.
And you have my gratitude as well.
I thought I said there was no need to thank me. Predigut, don't you have something to say as well?
Wih, cakep juga loh.
Sister. Please forgive me for all I have done, and thank you as well.
Oh, don't mention it, but, it's kind of like you've become a different person now.
That I could become a different person, but that cannot be. By my weakness, I betrayed my people. I raised a blade to my sister, and I brought misfortune on many. None other than I must atone for these crimes, for they are mine.
That may be so, but you are not alone here. Did I not say that?
Sister,
You cannot go about with such a sad face forever. The people of Austrasia, as well as our mother and father, will be watching our actions from now on. I believe you know what it is you should do now.
I do, sister.
Well, then there is your reason to smile. Ain't this nice? Look at the two of you.
It truly is indeed. It's been entirely too long since I've seen the harmonious sight of the two of them together. Oh, there are tears in my eyes from this welling up of emotion.
Guntram, I think you and Nimni might really get along.
Oh?
Wih, dapat bro.
Well then, Lord, I will get right to it. I want you to touch this sword. You... Oh, so... This is...
Dapat penglihatan apa lagi kita nih?
The one king. Mark my words. I swear by my blade, I will never give up. I will put...
Ini kita nggak sih guys? Si Mamet gak sih?
What? So, this was one of them too?
I was as surprised as you. I had no idea that my own blade was a fragment of divine edge and was also a chronicle.
This is my first such experience as well, so I too do not know what to think of all this.
too?
Pardon my presumption, but yes.
Wah, dia
This
Star Barrier
vision
nih.
said something about the One King as well.
And that is not all. Fredegund has heard that name from the people in the Order.
She heard what?
The man the Order sent to keep an eye on me, Beardsley, he said it.
Birdsley.
He said that with the advent of the One King, the one true way will come to fruition. The One King in this world too? I somehow don't think this is a coincidence. What's going on?
All I know is that he was Cougar's enemy.
And that he was such a fearsome enemy, even King Dolph and the others could not approach him. And I doubt that he will be happy that we have liberated Austrasia.
As for me, I had only now heard this story, so I cannot fully grasp the entire picture. This may not be the proper time for celebration. I believe we have a more pressing issue at hand.
What are you talking about?
If you go north several days from Faramond, you will find Fort Ark, a large Order stronghold.
Oh yeah, that big old fortress.
I do not think the Order will remain as quiet as they are now. It is likely only a matter of time before the troops in Fort Ark make their way here.
I guess you're right. What's the plan?
Aduh, ini gue pengen pilih yang bawah sih. Gue pengen pilih yang bawah, guys.
Master?
You mean to move all the people of Austrasia to another land?
Oh. Salah guys.
That's probably the best thing. But if we're gonna stand up to Fort Ark's might, we have to bring all of the company here.
Okay, let's do it.
Excuse me?
Seriously?
If we do, we can't mount a proper defense. Seems to me like we ain't got any other choice.
That certainly would. It would be reassuring to have your company defending Austrasia. Would you really do this?
Look, we just made all this effort to kick him out. We can't let him come back and take over again. Of course, with all my troops staying here, we might get in your way.
I assure you, you will most certainly not be in anyone's way.
Well, I don't think the troops would be here long enough to cause trouble, at any rate. If the order comes, they'll probably come all at once with the battalion. We're gonna have to whip them good and send them packing, so they won't think of coming around here again.
All right then. Hope you don't mind if we take advantage of your hospitality for a while.
I do not. I would be grateful for the favor.
Thank you very much. I too would do anything to protect Austrasia. So thank you. Thank you for lending us your strength so we can protect our nation.
Well, if it is decided, then I shall make the preparations to welcome your company.
Siapa? No, an ally.
All right, Lou. We're going back to the castle to get ready to move the troops.
Sounds good.
Twin Blade. Twin Flash. Twin Flame. Maksudnya? Arjun Great Sword. Twin Flame, Twin Flash. Anjay. Oh, guys, ini pedang mereka, guys. Alhamdulillah. Aduh, pilek, guys. Belum kelar juga nih.
I see. So Princess Fredegund has...
Pak Ingus gak habis-habis ya? Kenapa ya Ingus ada terus ya? Padahal dibuang terus anjir.
Yeah,
seems that the chronicle of the Twin Blades has passed into the hands of their company.
Forget about that. While I cannot say that we do not need it, it is not entirely regrettable. More important are the 8th and 9th Chronicles.
I understand that. We may have to use the young lady again.
The librarians are under your command. I do not need to concern myself with them.
Thank you.
The 10th world is drawing near, and will soon be before our eyes. 3 more. If we can overtake them, the one true way will be fulfilled.
Leave that to me.
Oke, terbalik. Alhamdulillah. Oh, bisa bikin lagi guys dia. Burst rifle. Wind dance anjing gokil juga. Yun bisa gen piece deh. Boleh deh gue beliin. Hah? Mau dikasih Argent Fish kah? Ini mahal-mahal banget ya. Black Blade udah bisa guys, ekstrimnya dah kita grindingin.
You've got a quest report waiting. Way to go! You sure worked hard. Here's your reward. I knew it was something.
Secret of the Black Blade.
This the one you want?
Banyak nih guys.
See you later.
Sekalian grinding deh besok ya. Reset dulu. Kan kita dapetin yang baru nih. Oh kan Flame Vortex. PR banget ya. Crushquake. Defense canopy, magic. Oh iya bisa. Defense, magic, silence sand, silence grid. Ya cukup. Genoa. Ih boleh nih. Magic canopy gak sih? Apaan basic pakot? Nih healing glim gak usah deh. Kestet gak usah deh. Nah, gak usah. Courage. True Falcon bro. Ya cukup deh. True Falcon. Boleh sih itu bisa. Magic Absorb. Nggak usah. Advance Falcon. Ntar dulu deh, bingung gua. Dulu guys ya. Salah. Oke, berarti segitu dulu aja streamingnya. Terima kasih sudah mampir. Sampai jumpa di streaming berikutnya. See you dan assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.